Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication of fractions part 2. This video is a continuation of the previous lesson. In the last video we saw how to multiply simple fractions. In this video we will see how to multiply mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Example 1, 3 1/4 times 2 1/3. Change each mixed number to an improper fraction. So if we look at 3 1/4, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13, so that's 13 over 4. 2 1/3, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7, so that's 7 over 3. So if we follow the simple rule of multiplying fractions together, we multiply the two numerators and the two denominators. So that's 13 times 7 over 4 times 3. 13 times 7 is 91. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided into 91 goes 7, because if you know your tables well, 12 7s are 84. That means there are 7 left over. So the answer is 7 and 7/12. Now to quickly check the answer, 12 7s are 84, plus 7 is 91, which is 91 over 12. So we've checked the answer and we know that's correct. Example 2, 1 1/4 times 2 1/3 times 3 1/2. So we change to improper fractions. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5, so that's 5 over 4. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 over 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 over 2. So we multiply the numerators together, multiply the denominators together. So we have 5 times 7 over 4 times 3 times 2. Now 5 times 7 is 245. 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. Now 24 divided into 245, this is quite straightforward because we know that 24 divided into 240 goes 10 times. So if that was 240, the answer would be 10. But because it's 245, there are 5 left over. So the answer is 10 and 5 over 24. And to quickly check the answer, 24 times 10 is 240, plus 5 is 245 over 24. So this video has shown us how to multiply mixed numbers or mixed fractions together. And the simple procedure is just change them to improper fractions and just follow the rules that we saw in the previous video.